Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Marvel Tōkon fighting souls game not working, not opening, not launching or won't launch issue, crashing or crashes at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Solution 1 is to restart your PlayStation. So simply press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account. Go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Solution 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to setting, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 setting, select system and then choose HDMI type. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to change console language. Open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to the language section, then select your current language, then try changing it to English or any other language and see if that helps or not. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound, then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 8 is to delete the game data and cache. Please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent the unexpected game progress loss. Now go to setting, save data and game/app settings. Select the save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete, select Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and then choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose don't specify for DHCP hostname. Now in the DNS settings, choose manual and then in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. For the proxy server, choose don't use and then save it and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. Now if still your problem is not solved after following all these fixes, then last thing you must do is to check for the Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game not working, not opening, not launching or won't launch issue, crashing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.